in memory of David, who didn't pass away but is leaving FedEx.
Yes, sir.
Oh snap! Thanks, bus driver.
What's up? What's up, guys? Light work today. Light work.
Light work today? Oh
Yeah.
snap! This isn't a bus. This is a FedEx truck. Hey guys, and welcome back to the FedEx vlogs. Since my last week's video did so well, I decided I would do a follow-up video and where I'm actually a driver helper. In my last video, I pretty much just talked about being a driver helper. Here I am in the helper seat, and today's guest we have... Oh snap!
Yo.
It's David! David,
Yeah,
what's going on, man?
I just realized you put follows Lau's house up there.
What?
Why are you
What did I
writing-
put up there?
Why are you writing graffiti on
Oh
the truck,
snap!
bro?
Look at that, guys! If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe right now and make sure you leave the video a like. But yeah, this is David. David,
What's going on?
what's going on, man? How long have you been working for FedEx?
Like about 3 years.
3 years?
But I'm about to be out of here.
Oh snap! He's about to be out.
Yeah.
And where you headed, dude?
I'm going to Marines actually.
And why is that?
I want to pursue a career. I don't want to work here anymore.
Not anymore?
Too many packages. I had enough of all these packages, man.
3 years is enough for him.
People need to chill out with all this
Yeah.
Christmas ordering.
Okay, I see. We'll be doing some deliveries and we'll be right back. Welcome everyone to the day in the life of a FedEx driver helper. I'll be helping a driver named David, who happens to also be my friend. I've known David for 10 years. He's also the one that got the job before me, and he's the one that recruited me. He also trained me as well. And since he's leaving, I thought it would be cool to have one last go at it together. Also, I shot this video on my day off, so please make sure you guys like the video if the video made you smile or if you had a good time. This video is going to be a little more lighthearted and fun. Since I talked about being a driver helper in the previous video, the clips you're seeing right now, you can see why having a driver helper is advantageous. If there's multiple packages going to one house, instead of making 2 trips because there's too many packages, you and your helper could just take all the packages in 1 trip. Or if there are neighboring houses that have deliveries that need to be done, the helper could do one and the driver could do the other. In most of the video, I'll be asking David some questions. Since you guys already know my takes on a lot of stuff, we can get his takes and his perspective on FedEx. Well, that's enough from me. I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And that one across the street. Ooh, look at those lights. The driver knows where the package is. Alright, you can record me. As a driver helper, I pretty much deliver packages to where the driver tells me to. Driver, where should I deliver this package?
Take that front door right now.
That front door? Alright,
Yeah.
watch
Make
the
sure
door.
you ring the doorbell too. They got all that on the Ring camera.
Doesn't work.
They're gonna make you YouTube famous.
And that's how you deliver a package. David, I heard you've been getting tips this holiday season.
That's
yo.
illegal.
Oh, okay.
You're not
okay.
supposed to accept those.
Oh, yeah, that's heard. Okay, theoretically, if you were to get tips, or how much money are you getting this month, you think?
I say usually like during the holiday season, I probably make like maybe like 100, 200 in tips.
Oh, theoretically speaking,
Yeah.
you would make around 200.
If we were,
Just the holidays.
if we were supposed to,
If-
if we could accept them.
If we could have accepted them. We're actually not supposed to accept tips, apparently. But theoretically speaking, if we were to accept them, we made that much.
There was a house. The guy was gonna give like a $50 gift card to the UPS driver,
Yeah.
and he was like, UPS drivers can't accept tips.
Uh-huh.
So he was like, do you want it? And I said, maybe.
Yeah. Theoretically speaking, you would have taken it.
I would have taken it.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Why
Okay,
not?
yeah,
It's
why
gonna
not?
go to waste.
Theoretically.
I forgot what I spent it on.
Spent it on hose. Alright, and on to our next stop right here, guys.
So we
He's
got,
driving, I'm sitting.
So we got 2. We got 1 there and next door.
Oh, snap. So each of us could do one.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I said, one there and one there.
What the hell? You don't want to work.
Well, it's on that side, so you can do it.
You're working for free anyway.
We gotta make him work. I'm the worst helper ever. But you gotta tell us.
What's up?
How many hours do you work a week?
A week?
Yeah. On average.
During the holiday season, like 55.
How about normally?
Like 48. You get like 2 days off, maybe 1.
Would you say it's good money though?
If you've been in here a couple of years, yeah. If you're like a new driver, depends.
Depends?
Depends, yeah.
Okay. The key to being a FedEx driver is knowing where all the bathrooms are. And since this is a residential town, porta potties are your next best bet. But if you don't have porta potties, the next best bet is the back of the truck. The back of the truck and in a bottle. What's your experience as a helper, David?
Easiest job in the world. You literally have to take a box to the front door. That's pretty much it.
That's it?
That's it.
Yeah, I know.
And bring a doorbell.
Alright, this is the POV of a helper. Yeah. Just chilling here, you know. Close the door if you're cold. Got my phone. Every time he's driving, I could just, you know, take a quick look, quick glance. And yeah, just enjoy the view, enjoy the ride. Where are you headed, dude? To our next stop, right?
Like 3 houses down.
3 houses down, let's go! Chilling out here, Sunday. You know the vibes. Yep, and this is what I do on my off day. Work at FedEx.
For free.
So how many stops do you think you do per hour?
If I'm running or walking?
Walking. Just
I'm
average.
walking like 30.
And how many stops do you think you could do with a helper?
Probably like 45.
45?
45, 40. Yeah. On the holiday season, like the stops are way more compact. So it's like you'll have like 5 stops on one street, or like 10 stops on one street. So it's like you do 10 stops in like 10 minutes.
Guys, be a little chilly out here. Just close that door.
Oh yeah, I turned off the heat.
Turned off the heat. He wants us to freeze here.
This is the house right here where the guy has a Tesla flat.
Oh yeah.
A Lambo and a McLaren.
Oh wow. Crazy. And over here. Alright, getting the next package. The driver got this. Come on, time is money, man. We're losing money. We're losing money.
The more time, the more money.
Man, I should have gone with another driver, dude.
Huh?
What?
What happened?
Let's get going. What would you tell someone who's first starting to work at FedEx?
Just take your time. Don't rush.
Don't rush.
Might get in
Take
a
your
car
time.
accident. You don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Make sure you're delivering at the right address. A lot of people complain that drivers leave it at the wrong address.
Okay.
You'll leave it at like 144 instead of 146. And then you get yelled at for that.
Okay.
Because the company has to pay for a misdelivery. And enjoy it, dude. It's the easiest job in the world. All you gotta do is take a box to a house and leave it at the front door.
I know people don't like to see me walk on grass, but a lot of people don't mind. We got a job to do, you know? You guys understand? Yeah, but when I first started, I never walked on grass, but now I understand why we have to. Because there's just so much. Now say something for my Spanish fans. In Spanish.
Hola, amigos. I don't know what to tell them.
Tell them you love them.
Los amos con todo mi corazón.
You guys don't know David's from Chile. So David, what do you like most about this job?
No one bothers me.
No one bothers you?
No one bothers me.
For the antisocial people, this job's for you.
Nah, not even. I don't think it's antisocial because like you have to interact with people every day. Like when you go up to like front doors or like you got business deliveries.
Yeah.
You know you gotta interact with people. Like you can't just be like, oh hey here. That's how you get them tips. The more friendly you are.
Tips, guys.
Yeah.
Listen to his tips, because you'll get tips with tips. Theoretically, if you were allowed to get tips.
Even if you're being fake, like still.
But what would you say you hate most about the job then?
hate most? People that cut me off.
Oh, to cut you off?
Yeah.
It be like that sometimes.
They don't respect that FedEx driver. People that don't put the house numbers on their houses, at least put like a little sign, you know, like on the outside.
Yeah, maybe on the rock.
Yeah, that's how packages get misplaced.
Make sure you guys have house numbers. PSA. David, after Marines, you gonna come back to FedEx?
So I'm gonna go to Marines to get my motor transport license. Just like getting my CDL pretty much.
Oh, I see. So you want to be a truck driver?
Yeah. Even become like a semi truck driver for FedEx.
Oh,
because all I would do is just go to terminal.
Yeah, you would just be driving instead of delivering.
Yeah.
The easy
part. I don't have
part.
to unpack anything.
Yeah.
I just bring the load. That's it.
That's it. Got something for you, David. To commemorate you, to remember you, you must choose one of these stickers. Choose 2 stickers, and we're gonna put it on the truck to commemorate you, like how we commemorated this guy, this Puerto Rican guy.
I wanted to take that off so bad.
What we got there? Just a bunch of stuff. We got Panda. I think that's Iron Man.
Just 2, bro. If it was me, I'd stick off.
What the heck? Oh snap! Is that Among Us? All right, this is the first one he chose.
I look you. Oh.
Oh my God! He picked the Dragon Ball one. He's been driving this truck for a good few months, right? Probably. Until they switched on you.
Yeah. Yo, where'd you get these? These are pretty nice.
Amazon.
Dude, you know what? I could actually go for some ramen.
It's the end of the day. What time is it? Let me see. 1:25, and yeah, pretty much done. 1:30 stops. We just have one package. It's a commercial building, but it's closed, and we're about to get some lunch. What are we getting, Dave?
Pizza.
Pizza, baby. All right, ladies first.
Go ahead.
Ladies first. Ooh, pepperoni roll.
This was so good last time I had it.
Ham and cheese. Ooh, that does sound good.
I think I'm gonna get that and like 2 slices.
Fatty. Here's our food. Ham and cheese calzone. Pizzas. On a date with a FedEx driver.
You eat that whole calzone?
And now you guys know what I do on my off days. David, any final words for my audience before you go?
I'm just waiting to see this video before I leave.
Ask David any questions you need, he'll answer them in the comments below. Okay guys, my camera died, but yeah, it's the end of the video, and as always, thanks for watching.